Hello Yashashri, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. So welcome to O Womaniya show.
Thank
where
you.
We present a woman like you, an independent and struggle one.
Okay, so in my childhood, I always knew that I want to become an actor.
Wow.
But clarity नहीं थी. So मैं ना बचपन में टीवी के सामने बैठ के I used to watch TV for hours and I couldn't understand why. I used to beg my dad to take me to theatre to watch a film and I didn't know why. So I realized it when I did a play for a school and I performed it in front of my teacher and they clapped so loudly and I could see that proud moment, that proud feeling in their eyes, and that's when I decided कि यही करना है.
Wow. So when you entered, how do you enter in the industry? Like it's very tough to get into it.
It is very tough. It's a very competitive industry, but I was lucky that I found a beauty pageant that was organized by Maharashtra Times.
Wow.
It's called Shravan Queen. And when I entered the pageant, I knew that I'm not going to win. Because there were so many girls coming from South Bombay, rich family, they knew how to wear clothes, they knew how to do makeup, and I was a gawar. But yeah, I was very good with language, I was very knowledgeable, I was smart enough to learn things quickly, and I ended up being the second runner-up on that show.
Wow.
Yeah, it was a surprise for me, and that moment actually happened on stage.
That's good.
Then we all were called for auditions, and उसमें से मेरा selection हो गया. So I got a lead for Zee TV's show called Lakshman Rekha. Yeah. Then that was designed for 3 months, and by the time it came to an ending, Yash Patnaik and Mamta Patnaik called me and they offered me a show called Rang Badalti Odni, and that's where it started from.
So like when you are struggling, वो period आपके लिए कैसा था? मतलब struggle life कैसी थी आपकी?
Yeah, when we talk about struggle, now we always think the struggle happens before the success, right?
Yeah.
Before you become something else, but that's not true. It can happen before or it can happen in between. So for me, initial struggle wasn't that much. I think I got into pageant, I auditioned a lot. Of course, there were things that hurt me, that set me back a little bit. But ओढ़नी करने के बाद जो मेरा टाइम शुरू हुआ है ना, I think that is my struggle time. Because once you prove yourself, now once you do a lead or something substantial, and then you don't get that kind of work, that is the time when your struggle starts.
Oh, nice. So being an independent woman, like हम अब तो you have a great dressing style. जैसे अभी आपने मुझे previously बताया, but you have a great dressing style. So मतलब independent होकर कैसा लगता है, like
बहुत अच्छा. ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे किसी से किसी चीज़ की परमिशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं, किसी को कुछ बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं, किसी का वेट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं ज़िंदगी में. I am self-dependent, I'm self-motivated and I'm strong enough. So I can win the world.
You was in Big Boss Marathi season 4 as well, right? How did it went?
Everybody has a different experience on Big Boss.
How was your personal experience?
I don't know if I want to say this. Okay. My experience was traumatic.
Oh.
It was. It takes you a long time to come out of that zone, that situation, that mindset. And it took me almost 2 months. But I also learned a lot of good things about my personality, about how I should conduct myself in outer world, how, कुछ लोग होते हैं जिनको पहचानना कैसे है. गिरगिट को कैसे पहचानना, ये मुझे बिग बॉस ने सिखाया.
She was RJ on lockdown, which was big appreciate. Yeah.
I was working as a RJ for Radio Mirchi during lockdown. Actually, I joined before lockdown and then lockdown happened.
Yeah.
And I think I was the first Marathi person to start a Marathi show on a Hindi radio channel in Mumbai.
Oh, nice. Big clap. And there's one more thing you are missing, your tuk-tuk.
So me and my friend, we were looking for a very unique vehicle to travel around India. And he wanted to buy a boat, which we didn't get. So we thought, let's buy a rickshaw.
Wow.
We bought the rickshaw, we painted it, we got it serviced. We learned how to drive it only for half an hour.
Okay.
Half an hour के ट्रेनिंग के बाद हम लोग सीधा निकल पड़े थे आगरा की तरफ.
So half an hour में आपने ऑटो सीखा and you ride that auto towards Agra.
Yeah.
Wow.
Me and my
that's
friend
great.
both.
Wow, wow. So how was the experience till the Agra?
It was amazing. You know, ये जो जिप्सी हिप्पी लाइफ होती है ना, जिसमें आप कहीं पे भी रह रहे हो, कहीं पे भी रुक रहे हो, कुछ भी कर रहे हो, लोगों से मिल रहे हो, कहीं खाना खा रहे हो. It's amazing. I enjoy that life, and I have done that alone as well. So I have done Mumbai to Goa trip last year with my dog.
Wow, wow, wow.
So I keep doing this. So I like those experiences. You know, when I was going from Mumbai to Goa, I had my dog with me, and on the first night, we couldn't get a hotel room because I had a dog. And पता नहीं है क्या culture है, पर नहीं देते hotel rooms. So we slept outside a railway station. नहीं, it was a fun experience. Don't be like that.
So it was safe.
Yeah. There were lot of auto walas, and I asked them, hey guys, are you gonna be here whole night? I'm gonna be sleeping in the auto. They're like, हाँ मैडम आप बिंदास सो जाओ.
Wow.
So मैंने ऊपर से cover डाला और मैं और मेरी dog अंदर मस्त सो गए.
Okay, that's a great experience. Plus आपकी वो ऑटो की story क्या है? Like do you ride अभी भी?
Yeah, every day. So whenever I'm going for a shoot or audition or anywhere to meet a friend, I usually take my tuk-tuk out.
Wow. So how do you come up with the name?
Tuk-tuk?
Yeah.
So यार इंडिया में तो हम ऑटो रिक्शा बुलाते हैं, and it just didn't sound romantic or you know different enough. So me and my friend, he's a director, Sean, and I was sitting and we were like क्या रखे. He's like, you know what? Thailand में रिक्शा को टुक-टुक कहते हैं. So I was like, yeah, that's a good thing. It has a nice sound to it. So then it became tuk-tuk plus Rani. टुक-टुक
रानी. So आपने जब आपने स्टार्ट किया था ऑटो, तब आई डोंट थिंक सो लेडीज ऑटो राइड करती थी. So किसी लेडीज ने आपको कभी कुछ बोला है, किसी वुमेन ने आके आपको हाउ दे अप्रिशिएट यू? लाइक
यार ये बहुत प्यारी चीज़ है, पता है. तो ऐसा नहीं कहूँगी कि मैं पहली थी जिसने स्टार्ट किया. मुझे याद है मेरी बचपन में एक दोस्त थी, बचपन नहीं कॉलेज में एक दोस्त थी जिसकी मम्मी सिंगल पेरेंट थी. वाओ. और उसकी मम्मी प्रोफेशनली रिक्शा चलाती थी. उस वक्त कोई और औरत रिक्शा नहीं चलाती थी. एंड आई थिंक आई गॉट माई इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम देयर. और अभी बहुत सारी औरतें हैं जो चलाती है. आई ऑल्सो नो फ्यू ऑफ देम and it feels nice. So whenever if I'm driving, like there is this reel on my Instagram जहाँ पे मैं ड्राइव कर रही हूँ और मेरे बगल से ना एक स्कूल की वैन जा रही है बच्चों की, and I hear the noise and I look at them and they're like and I'm like, this is why I'm driving this. When somebody who has limited resources in life, who doesn't know what to do, and maybe they are stuck, maybe they don't have enough inspiration, they see me and they feel like यार एक लड़की ऑटो चला सकती है तो मैं तो कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ. This is why I drive it.
Wow, that's great. So as a woman, आपका वो journey till now, how you know present yourself? Like you are a strong woman, I can see that. Like everyone knows here, my audience know you are a strong woman. You've been RJ, it's like it's tough.
Yeah.
So how your journey till how you see yourself now? You inspire many girls out there.
Guys, it comes with age experiences, and if you're 17, 18, you might not have the kind of experience or kind of confidence I have. You have to work on it. शायद मैं भी इतनी confident नहीं थी. I used to cry at smallest things. कोई कुछ बोल देता तो मुझे बहुत रोना आता था. पर ये एक्सपीरियंस करके धीरे धीरे ज़िंदगी में सीख के आप यहाँ तक पहुँचते हो. बस इतना ध्यान रखना कि दुनिया की कोई भी ताकत तुमको तुम्हारे इरादे से नहीं हिला सकती अगर तुम डट के खड़े हो. That's it.
That's a good one. So अभी एक fun game होगा यहाँ पे. What do you think?
Fun आपके लिए?
Definitely fun. It's for my audience and for you as well. You are going to drink this.
Okay.
So what's the game we called? इसको देख के क्या लग रहा है आपको?
Never have I ever.
Yeah, definitely correct answer. Never have I ever used a dating app to meet someone. You did. Oh, you have to tell me the story before drinking. What was the story?
So yeah, I am on dating apps.
Oh.
Even now. The story is simple यार. हम पहले के ज़माने में अलग तरीके से प्यार ढूंढते थे. अब अलग तरीके से ढूंढते हैं, भले प्यार में 10 बार धोखा मिले चाहे 100 बार मिले, प्यार तो सबको चाहिए।
सबको चाहिए, exactly.
So yeah, I'm looking for my partner.
Oh, nice. She is on dating app, okay? Never have I ever tried a viral food trend. Have you? No.
I make my own trends.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, never have I ever tried DIY beauty from YouTube. Like, you did? Oh, which one? Which one?
I try that all the time.
Oh,
So I'm a big DIY project manager, I would say, at my home.
so what DIY you did?
So I painted a table, I painted my wardrobe.
Wow.
Yeah, I make greeting cards. I like doing these artsy, crafty things.
Okay, next question. Never have I ever forgotten my lines during shoots. You did?
Of course, everyone does, yaar. Come on.
कोई चिल्लाता है फिर आपको शूट पे? Have you forgotten?
यार नहीं, चिल्लाते तो नहीं है, बिकॉज मैं बहुत सिंसियर एक्टर हूँ। मैं इतने जल्दी, इतनी आसानी से हमेशा लाइंस नहीं भूलती। कभी कभार होता है ना कि बहुत ऐसा बहुत डिफिकल्ट सीन है कुछ और बहुत बातचीत चल रही है और समझ में नहीं आता, ऐसे टाइम पे हुआ है। अदर देन दैट आई थिंक एक बार स्टेज पे हुआ था, दैट वाज ना नाइटमेयर। मेरी लाइन मुझे याद नहीं और पीछे से मेरी दोस्त ने आके बोला, सुन तेरी लाइन है, सुन तेरी लाइन है। Like, हाँ ओके। Yeah.
Okay, nice. Okay, never have I ever learned a new language for a role.
Of course I have.
You did? Which language?
गुजराती।
Wow, आपको गुजराती में 2 लाइन बोलनी पड़ेगी, of course, to my audience.
यार મને આવડે છે પણ
એવડું બધી નથી આવડતી. Okay.
થોડું થોડું આવડે છે.
થોડું આવડે છે. Okay, great. Okay, last question. Okay, never had I ever had a toxic relationship.
Seriously?
You
We all have had toxic relationships. Seriously.
So it was fun. The game was
The
fun.
round was fun. The relationship wasn't.
No, the round was fun.
Yeah, it was
Okay.
fun. Thanks. Did you have fun?
Yeah, I had.
Perfect.
हमारी कुछ ऑडियंस को आप बोलना चाहोगे, ऑसम टीवी की जो ऑडियंस है ओ वुमनिया की तरफ से की?
यार ओ वुमनिया की तरफ से ऑसम टीवी के ऑडियंस को मैं एक ही बोलूँगी, यू गाइस आर ऑसम, कीप बीइंग दैट। Hi, I'm Yashashri Masurkar. You're watching Awesome TV. This is O Womaniya.